and then leave it on. And then feel it. We got the laser machine going, but as you can see, there is just way too much smoke. We got to get rid of this smoke. We found this great deal on this 220 volt dust collector, and we're gonna start unboxing it here. I think 90% of this is styrofoam, this white garbage. Yeah. But see how it protected it oh so beautifully. As you can see in the background, there sits Smokey the Bear. And the motor. Heavy line. Might have to help with this. Just lift this right here. Leave the white. Okay, give it a pull. It's heavy. Really heavy. Hope you have a good back lifting this. Oh, we missed the part. We missed the base. Here is our unboxing list and parts. There's nut screws, the outlet, 2 hose clamps. Let's begin. So the only wrench that's supplied is good old Allen wrench. Yep. A little bit more assembly here. We have this Y connector, 2 spouts for 4-inch. We got the 6-inch adapter plate for the fan motor, and we'll be mounting that on here shortly. And then we got this riser plate, sheet metal attachment that we're going to bolt down here next. I really hope this dust collector sucks away all that smoke. There is so much smoke here. I really hope we can get rid of it. What do you like better, the English, King's English, or metric? What is it, 14, 15, 13? 13 and another 13. Let's see, didn't I even? Okay. Back one. This one. That's gonna go here, but we need a gasket. And I think it goes this way.
What are these for? Are these the skinnier longer ones?
So here's a 6-inch diameter, but if you want to neck it down to a 4-inch diameter, you can cap one end off. Should we give it a test run? Okay, let's find a plug-in. Let me see the end of that. Oh. Where are we gonna find an end like that?
Right there.
Do you
paying attention? See if this works. Oh, first try.
Nice. You want to hit the switch or you want me to?
It's in there.
Okay. So you flip it on, then flip it back off again. Again. Yeah, did you hear it? Everybody hear it? Oh, wonderful. I'm glad it works. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, look at there, dust collector. 9 and 11. And action. Okay, then turn it back off again. We have power. Okay, turn it on again. And then leave it on. And then feel it. Okay, so with our smoke issue, we are going to connect our nice 2-inch hose here. And then we're going to go over to there for now so we don't have to move the laser machine. So we need another 10 feet. Stay tuned for the next video and you won't see the smoke pouring over the edge like this. So on our vacuum setup, we got a 6-inch intake here, now down to a 4-inch out here. So we're gonna have to adapt this from a 6-inch down to a 2-inch or be creative.